Well, good morning from Hackett, Arkansas. Just picking up this partial that I'm going to be running up to Madison, Wisconsin and get me up over to close to our terminal. Can you figure out what that is? Some folks often wonder what we put under those tarps, like it's some top secret shit or something. No, that's it right there. Reaching its final destination over here in Madison, Wisconsin. The guy who ordered this stuff says, "Man, what happened? They have a sale on ugly or what?" After making that drop, I had to come over here to Peterbilt in Madison. Get something worked on the truck. Actually, I had a couple things to be repaired over here. Of course, Pedro and I are going to make our way upstairs to the driver's lounge while those repairs are being done. And honestly, we're just going to go up here and take a nap. 'Cause that's what I do. Want something to go by fast? Just go take a nap. Well, then, about a mile and a half down the road, had to get something repaired on the APU. Let's just fix this, fix that. Anyway, stick around, be back in a minute.
Hey, I'm Waylon. I'm one of the recruiters here. 25 years active military, retired. So if you're a veteran driver out there, definitely give us a call. We love working with veterans. We're just going to lay it out to you. We're not going to bullshit you. We're going to give you the real deal, the good, the bad, and the ugly of what this company's all about. So if you want someone to stop lying to you, then give us a call. We'll tell you how it is.
Alright, so I got loaded up last night. I got pieces going to Cedar Rapids, Iowa. That there's going to Rancho Cucamonga. Let's see what else we got here. That's Cedar Rapids. This here is Camp Pendleton, California. And I've got two different coils that I just went ahead and threw this tarp on before tying down because I went to bed early, man. I had to get up and take care of some business. Get my APU worked on, get my something back here worked on. Man, I can't even remember where this piece is going, but anyway, we're back now. We're gonna start tying it all down, and we'll head out in the morning. Look at there. We got Gary rolling in. Hey. Look at that. He's all color coordinated with the color of his truck and his straps. Look at that. about this week? We're moving on out to California, and that's where we're going. So I guess that's where I'll see you next when I'm out in California. See you there. Yeah. Oh.